Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Lavinia. In today's video, I wanted to share with you a few postcards that I've painted using this tin, which came with the subscription box from Minutes of Zen, the Florals kit. And I have here one of the postcards. You can see the texture. I did do an unboxing of the subscription box if you wanted to take a look. It came with a couple of cute little magnets. What I used was my Koi watercolors. And let me go ahead and share the postcards with you. So this is the first one. This, if you saw my tutorial on Panziola, you'll learn how to make these cute little pansy type Zentangles. And I added the leaves and a couple of other little bloom things there. And that postcard is ready to go. And the colors that I used, if you have the Koi watercolor set, let's see, I used the purple, I used the cobalt blue, and I used the lemon yellow, I used the permanent yellow, and I used permanent orange. So the lemon yellow are the side petals. The permanent yellow was this bottom petal. Permanent orange is the little center of the flower, and then purple and cobalt blue. So I have mostly the purple, but I did add some cobalt blue here and there to get that variation of color. And then for the leaves, I used a mixture of permanent green pale and viridian hue. So that is a close-up of that. I really like the way that this turned out. And then the second postcard that I made is this little hummingbird with foxglove. Now these ideas I did get online or from a book. And in this one I did use the Koi watercolor set, but I also have this metallic accents watercolor set that I bought years ago at Hobby Lobby. They don't carry it anymore, but I think they carry their own brand. So you can always find metallics. And I'm hoping you can see it. I think you can. And then I also flicked some of those metallics on here, and I think that that turned out pretty as well. So those are my two watercolor postcards that I'm using, and I'm going to make more. So I want to send them out to some friends and family and YouTube friends. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Take care, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.